All right, so today we are defrosting the refrigerator. It's been a while. If you look inside of here, it looks like an igloo. I've turned the power to 0. Of course, the light is on because the door is open. And I'm not removing things that really don't matter. But essentially, I've got the refrigerator emptied out of all the perishable stuff. I took the pan that's normally down here and moved it up here so it can act as a drip pan. In order to get that bottom pan out, I had to remove this slice of glass here. There's 2 pieces. I had to pull the first piece out in order to scoot the pan out, mainly because my door stops about here, and that prevents this pan from coming out easily. But removing that 1 sheet of glass allows me to lift the pan up and over the little hump there and get it out. It's going to be a while before this stuff melts. You never want to use any kind of a sharp device or scrape anything because you can damage the refrigerating coils that are in there. So I'm just going to let it melt. Okay, it's been about 4 or 5 hours since this thing's been defrosting, and looking good. It's all defrosted out of there, along the side, up there, underneath, and the pan is pan's full of cold water. Yeah, it's pretty cold. So, dump the pan, put things back together, set it back up to about 3.5, and the refrigerator will be ready to go for another 4 or 5 months. Now I've got plenty of room in the fridge, so I'm going to take this little jar and put some damp check in it. That moisture absorbing stuff that people use to, keep dampness out of the air, keep mold from forming, that kind of thing. I'm just going to put this back in the corner of the fridge and see if maybe it helps absorb moisture that turns into frost and, frosts up the refrigerator. So we'll see if that works. Uh-oh, I almost forgot. I got to fill up the ice tray. I want to have a little clinky tonight. I love this fridge. It's only been a couple of minutes and it's already frosty cold inside the freezer. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you think it might help somebody else, please share it with them. If you'd like to get more content like this, then subscribe and ring the bell and you'll be notified when new content gets posted. As always, thanks for watching the video, and comment as you see fit. Till the next video, see you later.